everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristi and today I'm going to do one of my most requested videos. This is how I apply my Sassy and Chic fingernails from Dollar Tree, and these are the items that I use to do so. So stay tuned and we will get started. These are all the items that I use when doing my nails. I always use 2 sets of fingernails. It's just easier that way. I can just match them up and I don't have to trim additional nails. I can just have these and then have extras to go along with it in case I lose any. Here is the glue, also from Dollar Tree. This is the original Superglue. They come in a pack of 12 most of the time. This one says it's 33% more. It even shows at the bottom the little hand icon and it says it's for fingernails. I use, of course, a fingernail file, a cuticle pusher. I'll have clippers on hand and an alcohol pad. This is usually what I store all my nails in. This is one of the tool cases. There's sometime in the craft section at Dollar Tree. And this is what I store my nails in. If you have not seen that video, I'll link it up top for you in the little information card so you can just pull it down and watch it. But these are all the items that I use when doing my nails. I always start by filing down my nails. I like to have them shorter because sometimes they will grow as I have the nails on and I don't want to be able to see them from the back. So I'll always file my nails down. Then I take my cuticle pusher and I will just gently push my cuticles back on each hand. So these are the nails that I've picked out to do this time. So I've went ahead and opened the nails. These Sassy and Chic nails are more flat or squared off at the top. If you flip them over, you will notice there is a number at the top of each one. It makes them easier to match up with the other sets. And you always put the number at the top of your fingernail and glue down the bottom part, which is more rounded. And the more rounded part is thinner, so it is more flexible. So you're going to want the thicker at the top. So then I just go through and I match them up. I push them back a little bit, sort of under the cuticle, and I make sure it fits. This one is for my thumb, and it is a number 2. Let's see back there. So then I'll just get the number 2. I just go ahead and line them up. So I'll go from thumbs, pointer finger, all the way to my pinkies like this. I'll just get these out of my way now. They stack really nicely. Then I just take an alcohol pad and I will clean my nails off. A lot of people will buff their nails so that they have more ridges. My nails naturally have ridges, so I don't have to do that. They're going to adhere to my natural fingernails very well. So you just use the alcohol pad to get all the extra oils off your fingers so the glue will stick. Okay, after I get them all lined up, here is my super glue that I'm going to use again. I've seen in the past people like to put the glue on their nail. I would rather put the glue on the fake nail and then just press it onto my finger. So just don't get too much because you don't want it running out the sides. You're going to position it. I try to position it up under my cuticle somewhat, and then I just hold it down for about 5 seconds. Now when you're finished, you're going to notice sometimes with the Sassy and Chic nails, it has just a little bit of an uneven edge. I think it was just when they were molded or separated in the factory, and I just like to keep a fingernail file just to go over that one little spot in the center. That way they just don't get hung on anything or snag. If any of them are too long and you want them shorter, you can go ahead and file them down. These file down really easy. And then the last step is I just put some lotion on my hands when I get finished, and that's all I do. So I went ahead and put some lotion on my hands and around my fingernails and cuticles. I just enjoy these nails more than I do my natural nails, and this is way cheaper than a manicure. Since I started using the glue at the Dollar Tree that is for nails and found in the hardware section, the Sassy and Chic nails stay on at least a week, sometimes longer. I usually get bored though within a week, and I'm ready to try something different, a new pattern, because there are so many to choose from. I let the nails wear off naturally. When they start popping off in about a week, they'll start getting loose around the edges, and if I'm ready for them all to come off, I'll just sort of work them loose ever so gently. I never try to pull them hard. They have not damaged my natural nails or nail bed, And if there is any residual glue left on, then I'll just buff that off. And then you can always put a clear coat of fingernail polish on your natural nail if you want to let those rest for a while. I usually will, after I take these off, I'll leave my nails without anything on them for at least a week, but you really don't need to. I, like I said, haven't had any kind of an issue. That is all I have. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, I'd love it if you went ahead and subscribed. I hope I was able to answer some of your questions. If you have any more, just leave them in the comments below, and I will see you next time.